IELTS Speaking Part 2, Q-Card. Describe an environmental problem in your country. What problem do you facing every year in your country? What's the main cause it is? And who is responsible for this? And how to solve this problem? Explain all these things. Well, to be perfectly honest, we are facing several types of environmental problems such as air pollution, water pollution, plastic pollution, and so on. The air pollution is a major problem in our country. Throughout the country, air pollution is getting down, air quality is getting down, and especially in Dhaka city, air quality is extremely good, which is alarming. Apparently, the winter season and summer season is going to getting done more, which affect us significantly, especially those who are cardiovascular disease, and it affect our quality of lifestyle. I suppose the main causes of air pollution is excessive use of fossil fuel, particularly vehicle and factories. Other main causes is coal power plant. Deforestation is going on all over the country. This is the another problem. Another problem is excessive use of garbage plastic. These four things is I think the main problem, the major problem in our country for the causing of air pollution. We should be conscious about that to eliminate these things. Then we're gonna lead a healthy lifestyle. I suppose responsibility for these problems lies for everyone. It's not only government, not a non-government industries. I think everyone is responsible. But unfortunately, children and the elderly people they affect a lot, and those who suffer from the respiratory disease because they feel problems, the breathing problems. I reckon government should think outside the box to eliminate this issue. For example, they should encourage people to use renewable energy such as solar plant, energy plant, electric vehicle, plastic garbage recycling, plantation project, cooperation with environmentalists. These things can minimize the environmental problem. All the government have taken few steps to eliminate this problem, but this is not enough. One thing considered, I would say, it's not a rocket science to deal with this issue. Obviously, various steps need to be done to resolve this environmental problem. Down the road, we have to be conscious about that and have to work together, our government, non-government, and individual accordingly to resolve this issue. After that, we gotta get clean and healthy environment. As speaking part to keyword, যদি এখানে আপনাকে ২ মিনিট কথা বলতে হবে, এর আগে ১ মিনিট আপনি প্রিপারেশনের জন্য পাবেন। তো আমি এখানে ২ মিনিটের অনেক বেশি কথা বলেছি, অলমোস্ট ৩ মিনিট তারও বেশি। তো এটা থেকে আপনারা আইডিয়াটা নেবেন। That's it. এটা যদি ভুল হয়ে থাকে তো আপনারা ক্ষমা সুন্দর দৃষ্টিতে দেখবেন। Thank you. I'd like to speak English. As you know, as speaking part two, keyword is 2 minutes you have to speak in front of your examiner, and you will get 1 minute for your preparation before that. So in here, I speak more than 2 minutes, almost over 3 minutes. I speak about this environment problem. So you just get the idea from here. Thank you. And if I get anything mistake, I do apologize for that. Thank you.